Hi, hello बच्चों, welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we will see determinant 5 marks 7th question dear students. If a is equal to 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2, find a inverse. Using a inverse solve the system of equations. 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5. X plus y minus 2z is equal to minus 3. So now this is somewhat different question. As usual questions we have seen, those were easy and this is also easy only, don't get confused. But the way of solving is little bit different. So now see here, he has given you a, I have to find what here? I have to find here A inverse dear students. So we have to find here what? A inverse. For finding A inverse, what is there? For what is the formula? Finding A inverse. 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A dear students. 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A dear students. For finding A inverse dear students. So now after finding A inverse, you have to use that A inverse. Using A inverse, you have to solve the system of equations. That means here we have to find first what here? A inverse dear students. Got it? So now see, first we have A is what? We have A is equal to 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2 dear students. A is given for us. Then I have to find A inverse. If you are finding A inverse means first you have to find what? Determinant A or not. So first you have to find here what? Determinant. So determinant, see matrix I am writing in determinant. Can you see? This is written in square bracket. Matrix it was given on here, that is A. So then I will find now determinant A. Determinant, see parallel lines. 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2 dear students. So I will expand now. Expand R1 dear students. Expand R1. So what you will get, you see. So you know the formula is very well, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus dear students. So expanding R1 means this is your row 1. Correct? So plus into plus 2 we will get. Where 2 is there dear students, you see. 2 is where? Where is 2 is there? Can you see? 2 is there in first row, first column. You leave first row and first column. What I am saying, 2 is in what? First row, first column. You leave them both. What you are left with? 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. So write in determinant this one. 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Can you see in determinant I wrote? So now next is what? Minus into minus plus 3. Minus into minus, see minus into minus 3 is plus 3. So where is minus 3 there? First row, you leave second column. What you are left with? 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2. See minus 3 is in first row. Second column, you leave first row, second column. You are left with 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2. 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2 dear students. Clear? So now see. Plus into 5, plus 5 I can write. Determinant. So where is plus 5 is there? So this is there in first row, last column. Can you see? This is there in first row, last column. What you are left with? 3, 2, 1, 1. 3, 2, 1, 1 dear students. We are finding a determinant A. Because I have to find A inverse first. So now see here. 2 I will write as is. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus I will write before, see 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Before multiplying 1 into minus 4, you write minus sign, that is the rule of determinants. So 1 into minus 4 is what? Minus 4 dear students. Clear? Plus 3 I can write. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus I will write 1 into minus 4, minus 4 dear students. Plus 5 I will write as 3 into 1, 3 minus I will write 1 into 2 is 2 dear students. So before multiplying this and this you have to write minus first only. Clear everyone? So now see 2 into minus 4, minus into minus, plus 4, 3 minus 6, minus into minus, plus 4, 5, 3 minus 2, 1 dear students. So now how much you will get? See, minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled, you will remain with 0. 0 into 2 is 0. So 3 into 4 minus 6, yeah, minus 6 plus 4, minus 2, 5 anja 5, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 5, minus 6 plus 5 is how much? That is minus 1, which is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists, dear students. A inverse exists. Why A inverse exists, you know? How will write determinant, A inverse? You will write like this, 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A or not? For finding A inverse, if my determinant value is equal to 0, if my determinant value is equal to 0, 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. But here can you see? This is 0, minus 1, no? So that means minus 1 is not equal to 0, dear students. Understood? Minus 1 is not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. So if it is equal to 0 means A inverse does not exist. For your kind information, in our Karnataka board, all will exist only. They will give in exam exists only in 5 marks, dear students. So please try to understand, it will not come 0. If it is coming 0 means somewhere you are doing wrong, you have to understand. Fine? So now you copy this one, we'll continue the answer. This one, because I got determinant A, I have to find what? Adjoint of A now. For finding adjoint of A, I need space, dear students. So that's why you should have to copy first this. We'll continue now answer. Please copy this. I hope all of you have copied. So now let us find what? Adjoint of A. For that A is required, that's why I had written. This you don't write. Already you have written A is equal to and determinant A. For finding adjoint of A is required, that's purpose I had written this one. So now let us find what? Adjoint of A. To find adjoint of A, dear students. Adjoint of A. Got it? So now see, for that we have to find what? First we have to find cofactors A11, A12, A13. These are the cofactors which we required. So A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33 equal to we have to write everywhere. So and you have to make arrangement, dear students, before solving the cofactors. You have to write here determinants. So before writing determinants, you know very well. Just now I had told how to find determinant A, dear students. Determinant A how we will find? So plus, minus, plus. Can you see the signs? We have used this only no for using determinant. For finding a determinant, we will use these signs only. So this only you have to write as is. How it is written? No, same way you have to write. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, dear students. So determinant we are using C. Try to understand. Here determinant is there. Here also we will use determinant, 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 determinant. See here, this is determinant, dear students. Don't write matrix. See there how I am using parallel lines are there. Determinant. Don't write square bracket again matrix. You will lose the marks. Got it? So now see, I will find A11. 1 means first row, first column. First row, first column you have to leave. A11 how to find means you have to leave first row, first column, dear students. What I am saying? You have to leave first row, first column. So what will remain? First row you leave, first column you leave. What will left? 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2 or not? 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. Clear? So next is what? A12. First row you leave, second column. You have to leave first row, second column. First row you use, second column. 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2. What is left? 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2, dear students. So A13 now. A13 means what? First row, third column you have to leave. First row you leave, third column. What you are left with? 3, 2, 1, 1. 3, 2, 1, 1, dear students. 3, 2, 1, 1. Clear? So next is what? Second row, first column you leave. A21 means second row, first column you leave. Second row you leave, first column. See, second row I left, first column. What is left now? Minus 3, 5, 1 minus 2. Minus 3, 5, 1 minus 2, dear students. Clear? So now see, you have to leave second row, second column now. Second row, second column. 2, 5, 1 minus 2. 2, 5, 1 minus 2, dear students. Next up. Second row, third column. This is A23. Second row, third column you leave. Second row, third column. 2 minus 3, 1, 1. 2 minus 3, 1, 1, dear students. So next is what? Third row, first column. You leave third row, first column. Minus 3, 5, 2 minus 4. Minus 3, 5, 2 minus 4. So next is what? You leave third row, second column. A32 means third row you leave, second column. Third row you leave, second column. 2, 5, 3 minus 4. 2, 5, 3 minus 4. All are understanding? So if you are understanding, please like my channel. Don't do I will not subscribe and don't liking. Please like my channel. Don't forget. Yes or no? If you are understanding, then only. If you are not understanding, no need of liking or subscription. Not required. If you are understanding something from this channel, so please like and subscribe my channel. So because each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. Please support me and help me. I will support you in this. Fine. So now see. A33 means third row you leave, third column. Third row you leave, third column. 2 minus 3, 3, 2. 2 minus 3, 3, 2, dear students. So now see, how to simplify you know very well. So plus is there, no need of writing. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, you have to multiply like this. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Before multiplying this, 1 into minus 4, write minus sign. First you have to write minus sign here, then you multiply. 1 into minus 4, minus 4, dear students. How much you got? Minus 4, minus into minus, plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 is how much? You will get 0, dear students. This is your A11. Clear? A11 understood everyone? Clear? So now see, chamka ke nahi? So now see, A12, here minus sign is there. I will write minus sign first only. See, minus sign is written. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus I will write before multiplying this. 1 into minus 4, minus 4, dear students. Clear? So minus sign is written outside. Minus 6, minus into minus, plus 4. See, minus I will write as is. Minus 6, minus 4 is, plus 4 is how much? Minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2, dear students. This is your A12, dear students. A12 is how much? Plus 2. Clear? So next up, A13. A13, how plus sign is there, no need of writing. 3 1 ja, 3 I will write minus 1 into 2, 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1, dear students. A13 we got. A13 is how much? Plus 1, dear students. I hope you are seeing, I think. Can you see? Okay. This is A12, don't get confused. Fine. So next is what? A21 I have to find. A21. Now see. Minus is outside, minus sign is written. Minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6. Minus you write 1 into 5, 5. Clear? Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Minus sign is written before multiplying 1 into 5. Minus you have to write 1 into 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 minus 1 into minus into 1 is minus 1, dear students. This is your A to 1. So now A to 2. So A to 2 here I will do plus sign is there, no need of writing. So 2 into minus 4, minus 4, minus you write minus 1, I mean 1 into 5 is minus 5. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Before multiplying this minus sign return. 1 into 5 is 5. Minus 4 or minus 5? Minus 9, dear students. This is your A to 2. Got it? So next up, A to 3. Minus sign is there, I have written. Minus sign is there, I have written. 2 into 1, 2, minus written. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Got it? So minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 into minus is minus 5. A to 3 is minus 5, dear students. So next up, A31. Plus is there, no need of writing. Now you multiply. Minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12. Minus written. 2 5s are 10. Understood or not? Before multiplying 2 into 5, minus sign I wrote here. So 2 5s are 10. How much you got? 2, dear students. 12 minus 10 is 2. Understood? Everyone? So now A32. A32. Now see, minus sign I will write. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, minus I will write 3 into 5, 15. So A32, now see here. Minus 8 or minus 15 is how much? Minus 23, minus into minus, plus 23. This is your A32. Understood? So next up, A33 now. 2 2s are 4, minus I will write 3 into minus, minus 3, minus 9, minus into minus, plus 4 plus 9 is 13, dear students. This is your A33. Now let us find what adjoint of A, dear students. And my dear students, this is not required for your understanding purpose. I have written before also, I told you. So now, how to find adjoint of A now, dear students? Adjoint of A. I hope below you cannot see this one. Can you see? This is minus 5. Got it? Everyone? Please, I will make some. Okay. So, please copy this one. This is minus 5, dear students. Okay. Then I will find now adjoint of A. See here. Now, therefore, adjoint of A. We have a formula, you know. Adjoint of A, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So now A11, A12 is what? All you have seen or not? This one. Same thing, serial wise only I have written. A11 means what? 0. Next A12 plus 2. A13 1 or not? Serial wise only I have written. Serial wise only we will write. So now I will write 0, 2, 1. Yes. So next is what? Minus 1, minus 9, minus 5. And next is what? 2, 23, 13. 2, 23, 13, dear students. This is our required adjoint of A, dear students. So any problem is there, please ask me in this. No problem? So comment me. So if you are not understanding anywhere, I will again explain you in my next class also. Fine? Don't worry. So now, what will become A inverse now? A inverse. Therefore, A inverse is what, dear students? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Will you agree? Because I have to find A inverse first. By using A inverse, I have to find what? System of linear equations that is unknown. X, Y, Z, dear students. We have to find. So first A inverse is what? Now let us check. A inverse is 1 by determinant A. Determinant A is how much? Minus 1. What is adjoint of A? 0, minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, minus 9, 23, 1 minus 5, 13. Clear? A inverse is equal to 1 by minus 1 is minus 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23, 13. Clear? Now see, dear students, minus 1 into, you multiply minus 1 inside. Can you see? Minus 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 9, plus 9, plus 5. If you multiply, no, where positive is there, no, that will become negative. Here negative is there, that has become positive. Got it? So this will become or minus 23, positive is there, minus negative, it will become minus 13. Minus if you multiply, it will become negative. Got it? So now see. Therefore, the given system of equations can be written in the form Ax is equal to B, dear students. So what is A? Where A is what? A is what, dear students? A, just now we have written A. Yes or no? So I will write what is A. So now A is what? A is given as 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2, dear students. A was this only. So now X is, I will write X is what? X, Y, Z. And B is nothing but what? B is given as how much? So B is given as 11 minus 5 minus 3, dear students. I hope it is clear. So please copy this. Let us continue the answer. Please copy this because page is not there. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us continue that answer, dear students. Ax is equal to b you have written. So we can write it as therefore x is equal to, if you take so Ax is equal to b you have written, no. A if you take on RHS it will become A inverse into b, dear students. Clear? So now we will substitute the value of A inverse, dear students. So A inverse value we will substitute now. So what we will get, you see, x is equal to A inverse means what? You already know A inverse, what you got? Already you have got the A inverse. So that is 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 9, 5, minus 23, minus 13, dear students. This is your A inverse. Will you agree? So now see, into B. B is what, dear students? B is 11 minus 5 minus 3. Will you agree? 11 minus 5 minus 3. So you multiply row into column now. How much you will get, you see? So first row, first column. You have to multiply first row, first column. 0 into 11, 0, 1 into minus 5, minus 5, minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6, dear students. Clear? So next is what? First row, second column is not there. I had ended this. So now second row, first column. First element to first. Minus 2 into 11, minus 22. Second to second. 9 into minus 5, minus 45. Minus into minus plus. 23 into 3, 69. Minus 1 into 11, minus 11. 5 into minus 5, minus 25. minus into minus plus, 13 3s are 39, dear students. Got it? How much you will get? You see, x is equal to, now see, 6 minus 5, that is 1 will get. Now see, 69 now. Minus 22 minus 45, you know how much it will give? Minus 67 plus 69. So minus 11 minus 25 is minus 36, dear students, plus 39. So how much you will get x value? X is equal to 1. 69 minus 67 is, that is 2. 39 minus 36 is 3. So your x is nothing but what? X, y, z or not? Just now you have copied up. So therefore x is equal to how much? That is 1 value, and y value is nothing but 2, and z value is how much? That is 3. This is our required answer, dear students. I hope you have understood. So if you are understanding my video, please like and subscribe my channel. So each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. So please like and subscribe my channel. So please support me and help me. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.